name is Bhupi Rana from Rana Tree Removal LLC, Orange, Connecticut. For today we have this dead double stem oak tree that's coming down today. So it's gonna be a fun one. Rana Tree Removal LLC is a full tree service when it comes to tree trimming, removal, pruning, land clearing, stump grinding, yard expanding. You can look us on Instagram under Rana Tree Removal LLC, on Facebook, on YouTube, and also if you want to go on our website, it's going to be ranatreeremoval.com, and let's have fun. Woo! Peace out.